Our commitment to your success is what sets us apart. Having a strong footprint across both North America and the globe allows us to understand markets and gives us a unique perspective on your business. By combining this understanding with vigilance, we have the unique ability to continue manufacturing excellence even as the world shifts and changes. From top to bottom, we're finding new ways to serve our customers and communities, keeping our teams safe and bringing more value to our partners. This year, we're working to improve our manufacturing capabilities to better serve you. We've had to adapt to uncontrollable external factors, and from this, we've had to develop an entirely new way of manufacturing, one that fits our new world, keeps our people safe, and ensures your success. Your confidence and trust during this time has driven us forward. Rest assured that your trust has not been misplaced. This ability to modify and elevate our operations is thanks to the support of a strong and dedicated team. Everyone here plays a key role, which makes keeping each other safe a top priority. We've instituted important new measures in every conceivable area of our operations. We're constantly assessing in order to find new ways to improve both productivity and safety. It's essential we support our team's efforts to do this in any way we can, including high-quality PPE, enhanced cleaning and sanitation practices, social distancing measures, screening processes, remote work support, and more. Whatever tomorrow brings, we'll be there. You can trust that JELD-WEN will never stop growing, adapting, and evolving in order to ensure success both now and in the future. Your confidence and support mean the world to us. It motivates us to keep working hard every single day. And with you in our corner, we remain committed to our partnership and to our collective success.